The most insulting thing that I have seen on the internet lately has been the New Orleans African Zulu parade. And as a Zulu person, it was a mockery and a degrading of our heritage, our culture, and also our identity. What was even more disturbing for me was seeing how some Black Americans defended this madness. It is extremely puzzling just how Black Americans are always the loudest when it comes to matters of cultural appropriation when it affects them, but somehow they are unable to see when it affects somebody else. I don't know if it is a matter of ignorance or the superiority complex that some Black Americans have towards Africans from the Africa diaspora or the motherland, as you often refer to it. But at some point, you'll need to practice what you'll preach. Just because this African Zulu parade has been happening for years, it does not mean that it is right. In case it wasn't already clear to you, let me break it down to you the ways in which this parade is offensive. The first thing, the blackface. Yes. Do you remember how you felt when that Asian content creator was testing out the darker shades of makeup and he created a blackface? Remember how you felt? Remember how angry you were? That's exactly how we feel when we watch that parade. And secondly, the costumes. Those costumes don't resemble any of our costumes in any way. We pride ourselves in our aesthetics. We pride ourselves in the meaning behind each costume that we wear. And those costumes didn't resemble any of our traditional attire in any way. And thirdly, the witch doctor. Seriously. Do you know the term witch doctor is a derogatory term that was used during the apartheid era to demonize the practice of African traditional healing? Do you know how offensive that term is? I know this can come out as disturbing to some of you, especially those who practice African traditional religions. I know that some of you have owned the word witch and it seems okay, but when it comes to South Africa, we don't do that. None of our traditional healers use that word. It is offending. It is heartbreaking to see some people not even understanding how damaging and disturbing that word is. You see, if you want to create an African Zulu parade, at least scroll through your internet, go through social media. There's so much information available. You don't even need to read a book. Or better yet, get actual Zulu people to teach you about their culture. But if you cannot do that, just don't create something that's going to be offending. Don't. Do something that will not represent anyone in any way. Do something out of this world, but do not put the word African and definitely do not put the word Zulu, because Zulu people, we exist. To us, this isn't something we can just take off or let go of. It is a part of us, and we love our traditions. We love our culture, our heritage, and our lineage. And I saw some Black Americans claiming that this is a part of their lineage. Seriously? How? Zulu people are in South Africa, the southern parts of Africa, meaning we are right at the tip of Africa. And most of the people who were enslaved and taken away from the continent, they were mainly from the western and the northern parts of Africa. It wasn't necessarily the southern parts of Africa. How are you claiming something to be your lineage when you are not of that lineage? And if you feel that you are part of that lineage, wouldn't you actually want to learn more and respected enough to listen to what Zulu people are saying. I think in closing, you shouldn't do something that's going to offend another person and then get offended when that person tells you that, no, this isn't a part of my culture. There's something deeply disturbing about not seeing just how damaging this parade is and how much of a misrepresentation it is.